Hello and welcome to another video. Walk around, my name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at 2017 Toyota Highlander XLE. This is an 8-passenger 4-door SUV in Blizzard Pearl. Under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 riding on top of 18-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights and daytime running lights, turn signals on the side mirrors, roof rails, and power liftgate. Why don't we hop inside this Highlander and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our power liftgate button, which we'll get to in just a moment. This Highlander has a smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket, put your hand right in there and the vehicle will unlock. Let's take a look in the door first. On the bottom you do have some nice storage space. Above it are your power windows, locks, and mirrors. All-weather mats equipped along with black leather seating, and on the bottom you have your power seating adjustment buttons. Why don't we hop inside now and start it up. It is a push to start. Foot on the brake and press that engine start button right behind the wheel there. We're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel. These arrows will help you navigate through your entertainment display that's located right in the center there. If we go back, you do also have your volume options, voice recognition, and hands-free calling. On the right, you have this cluster which allows you to navigate through your multi-information display right there, like so. Down below it are your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with your lane departure assist and dynamic cruise control, and cruise control speed settings are right behind the wheel there. If we move on to our screen here, we're on home. It's got the split screen going with the navigation map. You can press that and that'll enlarge. Set your destination through here, of course. You can also press audio and that'll take you to your sources. You have your standard AM and FM. Also have a choice between USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. Backup camera, nice and clear. Moving down to our climate control system. It is a dual zone, so you can adjust the temperatures on both sides. Right here on the left, you do also have your heated mirror button. You have a shelf here that runs along the entire side, and if we go ahead and press that, that comes off and you can run a cable through and that'll come out right under there. Underneath are USB on auxiliary as well as a 12-volt outlet. Your different drivetrain options, 2 cup holders. Behind the shifter are your driver and passenger heated seats. Center console. Lots of room in this one. You also got this nice little shelf up top that moves around, and inside you also have a 12-volt outlet. And lastly, we're going to open the glove box. Simple as well, does also feature your owner's manual, but now let's just close that right up. So before we look at cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back first. On the bottom you have some storage just like the driver's side. Continuing with all-weather mats and black leather seating. Behind the 2 front seats you do have these nice little pockets. Behind the center console, the rear passengers have their own climate control settings. In the center here, if we pull this down, gives you access to 2 cup holders and a nice little armrest. And lastly, if you just pull that up, seats will fold in and that'll give you access to your cargo and your 3rd row seating. So to open up, all you got to do is hold this button on your key fob and that power liftgate will open on its own. Lots of cargo space in the Highlander. You can fold the 2nd row seating down and that'll give you some more space if you ever need that. 2 cup holders for that 3rd row seating, which is folded down, and it's easy as pulling these and they'll go right up. On the left you do have this nice little storage space, and underneath here, if we pull this up, you have a nice little storage compartment underneath as well, and a little toolkit for your spare tire that is located underneath the vehicle. So to close up, all you got to do is just press this button right up top and that power liftgate will close. Taking a last look at our 2017 Toyota Highlander XLE. Once again, some of those great interior features include your heated black leather seating, backup camera, Bluetooth audio, and navigation. There's a whole lot more I still didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.